Hey guys, so today's going to be a great day. Today is the very first roll race in the state of Alaska here at Alaska Raceway Park. This is going to be huge. Let's go. You know, you do realize in the other staging lane over there, you're about ready to make every childhood dream come true. Every man has dreamed of racing a cup.
And not getting in trouble.
And not getting in trouble.
Yeah.
My helicopter is faster.
All right, we are seconds away from the very first official roll race. Here we go. That's it. It's a thing.
Oh, nothing. It's just I smelled a little bit of coolant, and my crank pulley's known to fall off at random times, so just making sure it's all still there, I guess.
Cool. What'd you run on your first time?
Both times was 121.
121 from
Yeah.
2. All right, man. Hey, well, good luck.
Appreciate it.
Okay, we got our first rerun of the race. Guys, I think had a starting line issue, so they're gonna run it back, try it again. buddy. How's it going?
How you doing?
Yeah, you already run once or twice?
Just once.
Yeah, what do you think?
Kind of weird, but I'll get used to it.
A little different, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was your overall speed?
114, I think. Yeah, 114. It's kind of weird letting the other car pace it because I felt like I'm just gonna shotgun past him every time. So it's getting the difference in.
Yeah, well, at least it's new for everybody.
Yeah.
So yeah, man. Hey, this turnout is crazy.
Crazy, yeah.
Yeah. Well, hey, man, I'm glad to see you here. Enjoy.
All right, thank you.
Let's go, JP! Hey, you do know this is worth about an extra 5 miles an hour. Yeah, what are you running today?
I'm at 140.
140. Right on. What do you think of the new format?
Yeah, my first time. It's like driving on the highway, so it's more controlled though, so it's pretty good. I like it.
The only man at the track that my wife has a crush on, right here.
You know, gotta be Puerto Rican.
You know, hey,
Those damn Puerto
when you
Ricans.
got it, you got it. There's nothing I can do about it. Look, she's right over there, still watching. Oh, hey, babe. Hey, hand down. Knock it off. How's it going?
Good.
Did you already run once?
I ran 134. I think I can have a better run. Trying to do a 60 to 130 in like high fives. So that's what I'm aiming for. I'm running E50 right now, just bolt on S58. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I don't know. How you feeling?
They did me dirty.
He did you dirty. Well, hey, you got to take out the king in the first round.
Yep.
All right, well, good luck.
All right, thanks.
Let's count. Ready. They're not going to kick you out this time for going too fast.
They won't.
You're going to let her rip.
Yep, I will.
All right, brother. Have fun.
Thank you.
The 21 Mustang, 10-speed auto. Pretty basic setup. It's got some bolt-ons and a good amount of nitrous. So
How much nitrous you got?
right now we have it at 150. We might turn it up a little bit depending on
Okay.
if we
And
start.
have you run the nitrous before?
I've ran it on the street, but never on the track. So
All right,
we're gonna
so
find out together.
We're gonna make it official today.
Yeah. But other than that, just some suspension stuff and obviously the drag pack. Basic setup, but it works.
So we got the rerun. What happened?
Look, just the beginning wasn't. He was sleeping on it, so I let him run it again. I told him at the end of the track. I asked him, "Is that you want to run it again?" He said, "Yeah." I think we got oil on the track.
Running it back. What happened?
He just wanted a rerun.
Okay. Now wait, did he win the last one?
He did.
So he won and he wanted the rerun.
Yep. It was, I guess, like a goofy start. I don't know.
All right. Well, cool. You'll take it, huh?
Might as well.
Yeah. Awesome. Hey.
They got to put me up against them Civics.
Hey. Well, good luck, man.
Thank you.
All right. Looks like we're back in action. Alaska Raceway Park cleaned that up in record time. That was only about 5 minutes for the track cleanup. Here we go. All right, a man who needs no introduction, Kyle from 1320. Welcome to Alaska.
Thank you. We're back here at Alaska Raceway Park. I'm so excited for the first roll race in Alaskan history.
Yeah, so that's something that's kind of unique about today. You guys are filming a lot of your stuff, but today you're actually doing double duty because not only are you filming today, but this is your brainchild. Like, you're actually helping coordinate this whole event. What brought that on?
A week ago, we found out we might not be able to film another component of our trip, and so we had a little bit of a panic moment, and our friends here in Alaska came together and said, let's figure out a way to make another video so you guys can justify coming out here. And a week ago, we announced this roll race. It was a great way to accomplish that, and we were able to film yesterday and today, so we're gonna have 3 different videos from Alaska, and we just love coming here and sharing with the world what Alaskan car culture is, and being able to bring some car culture from the lower 48 states to Alaska to introduce to you guys. It's just an amazing opportunity.
How are your first runs?
Good. They're a little faster than what I'm used to as far as a roll goes, but it's still good.
Well, you got him.
Yep.
On to round 2.
Yep.
Do you know what your speed was?
120.
120.
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, well, congratulations
Thank you.
and good luck.
Hey, thanks a lot.
You guys pulled each other?
I beat him yesterday on the street, but he might beat me.
Okay, so this is a grudge match.
He's gonna beat me on the track. On the street, I beat him yesterday. Smoked him.
244. Hey, he says you guys just ran it.
Yo, now right, can we do it for like the finals?
You guys must congregate together because you did have that top speed so far, 148, and then you took it from him.
Yeah.
152, is that right?
Had a slow start.
Well, we'll get you back. Hey, so what are you running?
GT 500. Little mods.
289.
Yeah.
Small block. Love it. Hey, well, good job, and both of you guys, I'm sure we'll be seeing you guys later today.
Awesome. Thank you.
Last race, Honda versus Honda, GTR versus GTR, coming up next.
This is third-gen Camaro I paid $300 for.
So you bought this car for $300.
Yeah, I bought the car for $300, but I put a lot more money in.
Yeah, well, this is a perfect example of a true all go, no show.
Yeah. It's a 408 LS. It's got it's a stock block with it's a stroker crank, all Summit Pro Summit that I built in my 2-car garage. It's got Summit racing heads that are made by AFR, 210s, and it's got VA's Racing 66 73 turbos on it. It runs on the E85.
Well, cool, man. Hey, this car looks like it's a blast.
Yeah.
Good luck today. Wish you the best.
All right, thank you.
tough race against the fastest time of the night, but he does have the Rev Alaska sticker. That's good for something.
Okay, we're here. The last two standing in Division 2.0. Here we go. This is for the championship.
I hit the wrong button.
Oh man,
I accidentally hit the transmit.
How close was it?
It was pretty close. I was right on his ass.
Were you?
Yeah.
You guys were both 1 and 2 all day long. It was amazing.
That one earlier. He told me it was a 289 small block.
Attaboy.
Yeah.
Keep them guessing.
Right.
That's the way we run it around here. Yeah.
Told you, little modified.
So, was this the first roll race event that you've done?
Legally, yes.
Well,
Yes.
yeah, legally.
Legally, yes.
What'd you think of it?
I loved it. We'll absolutely do it again.
Awesome.
Yep.
Well, hey man, your car obviously killed it. You were actually leading the whole day.
Oh, love it.
So you just kind of kept the momentum, and here at the end, I mean, both of you guys pulled the 150s, and but you squeaked.
Oh,
it
he
out.
was coming.
He was
coming. That car's fast.
Yeah, it was a great race, man.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Awesome. Thank you.
Here from Rev Alaska. They put that on top of our prize. Congratulations, it's $100. $100 from Rev Alaska. So
Well, all good things must come to an end. What a fantastic day, man. This was such a cool event. Special thanks to Alaska Raceway Park, 1320, Kyle and the guys. You guys are always a class act. We look forward to the next one, and keep on revving.